Hi, I'm Tiki Bar Sam and we're at Sam's Tiki Bar. And today we're going to make the Tiki Palms. What is the Tiki Palms? Well, it doesn't really matter what it is because it's a Tiki Bar drink. And we're going to be using grapefruit soda again because I have a lot of grapefruit soda. I wanted to make something with grapefruit soda in it. And this is more of a rum-based drink. So we're going to use 2 ounces of my spiced rum. You know how I make my own spiced rum? There's another video. It's spiced rum. So like what we're gonna do, I'll try to link the video. I don't know if I'll be able to do it or not. But anyway, so we need 2 ounces of spiced rum. Filling that up to the top there. And I'm gonna put it in my shaker cup right here. 2 ounces. Now I have some ice in there to chill down the rum. Then what we have to do is put in 2 dashes of Angostura Bitters. Here we go. 1, 2. That's it. Then what we have to put in is a 1/2 ounce of lime juice. So I have my lime juice here. We're gonna do some fresh squeezed lime juice. And I know I used to use a bottle, now I use fresh limes because it just tastes better. Now, it's that, boom, and I'm gonna put in a 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Here we go. Excellent. And that's it. Rum, lime juice, Angostura Bitters. Let's mix it. Again, I'm just cooling this down. Now what I did is I wanted to put it in a highball glass. This glass, and there's a bunch of crushed ice in it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drain off this chilled mixture right into the cup. Just like that. Then we're gonna put in this grapefruit soda. This already looks fantastic. I can't wait to try this. And I'm going to mix it a little bit with the spoon here. And that's it, the Tiki Palm. Let's give it a whirl. Trees painted on the wall just so hula girl swaying on a bamboo stand. That's where you'll find the magic hands of Sam. He's got a bottle of rum. This is good. Tells a good joke, but never too bold. Scrolling TikTok, he's the drink slinging man. Wow. Everybody knows that's Tiki Bar Sam. This reminds me of the Caribbean. This drink. This is not that sweet, but it's good. This takes me back to St. John's. Just delicious. This is a really good drink. Rum, lime juice, some bitters, grapefruit soda. Would I recommend this? Yes. Is it delicious? Yes. Now what movie would I recommend to go with this drink? I'm trying to think. A movie that I would like to go with this drink. Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Yes, Harry Potter, the Sorcerer's Stone, and the Tiki Palm. Again, thank you for watching. This is Tiki Bar Sam wishing you a great Friday and a great weekend and have a wonderful summer. Okay, see you next week. Bye.